Afternoon, good evening, or good night, everybody. My name is Chandra, and today I'm going to show you how you're going to make use of Google Form to conduct your evaluation feedback from the training that you have performed. So, in order to do that, you need to log in to your drive google.com. Okay, once you've gone in, click on New here, click on Google Forms. The untitled, you don't have to do first. You have to start with your question. So on the question, I have here, I have an happy and optimistic outlook. So copy this, enter here. Okay. So this would not be a multiple thing because you want always, often, at times, rarely, never. So you choose a linear scale. Okay. So you click 1 to 5, label it, always. The last one would be never. And here you can show a description here as always, 1 is always, 2 is often, 3 is at times, 4 is rarely, and 5 is never. So you have two choices. One, you can use a linear scale to choose like this, always to never. Okay, or you can choose these check boxes. So when you put check boxes, you can put in as always, then often, at times, rarely, and never. Okay. So now here, if we do this, they can always choose more than one. So you need to click this shuffle option order. No, shuffle option order. Response validation. Okay, should at least select exactly one. So you can show custom error text is please only select one. Okay. Once you have done that, you can remove this if you're using the checkbox. Okay, so I'll do two. One is with checkbox, another one is with the linear choosing. So I copy this and choose this as always and choose this as linear. So 1 to 5, always and never. And here I put in the description. 1 is always, 2 is never, often, 3 is at times, 4 is rarely, and 5 is never. Okay, so there are two options here. So let's see how it looks like. This is not very important at the moment, so don't do anything first. Put in your question. So here I have an optimistic look. So I can choose one. If I choose two, it will come up like this. So they can only choose one. Or better, this one is much better. I can choose either one. It will automatically choose one. So I would rather you choose this. Okay, so it'll be like this. Or in case you say, no, Chandra, I'm looking at this is too long here. You can always make it in a row. And just to differentiate, you can always make it as a bold, and make everything bold. And then I choose this as underline. So when you click here, it will look like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then later, you want to put in your name. So this is my. There are two things you can do. You can put in here, like from here, you can say this is evaluation form for Chandra company. Then put in the details that please follow these rules. So from here you can also change the header. You can click on customize theme. Okay, choose an image for the header. So these are what I have uploaded. Or do I have stock photo or stock photo? For example, I choose this as the header. Okay, one thing nice about this is most of the time it will follow the header and change your theme color. Follow your header. Okay, so you can change the headers. I mean, text style. You can change. Okay, I don't like this Roboto. I want to have Montserrat. Montserrat. Medium. So you see this, and then this text. How you need to. Yeah. So these are the answers. So you can see the question, how the question look like. So I can see put it as questions. So you can always change the theme by adding the color. Okay, like background is this color, so I want to add another background on it. So I just select click. Say I want to have a radius to be okay, like this. So you have this background. All right, so that's about it. Easy, straightforward. So once you already done this, okay, the form will the title here will come automatically. So it depends on your customer how you'd like to have the what rules you need to follow. Please follow these rules. Enter only one answer. That's fine. Right? Then you can just like review it. Or you can once you preview it, you can just click send. And you can send it as a link. Excuse me. Copy and you send it off. If you like to collect the email address, it would be nicer because after all, just put in as responder input, click copy. So usually what will happen is if you want to put in email addresses, you got to have this. Oh, the new one. Right. Respondents will be required to sign in to Google, or you put in a responder input. This will be make sure that the people who are keying in will be able to put in an email address. You can key in own email address, not the one that has been logged in through Gmail. All right. Thank you.